Hello. Welcome to my channel Silver Graphics. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 apps and websites for removing background images. It's free, no watermark, and easy to use. Kindly subscribe and enable notification. Let's get started. Go to pixellab.com on your desktop or smartphone browser. Click on remove.bg. Select the photo and click on it. Wait for a few seconds while the AI process it. Click Save and download. Very quick and easy to use. 4. Remove.bg. Go to your smartphone or desktop browser and search for remove.bg. Click on Upload Image. Choose an image. Simply wait while it automatically removes the background image. Your image is ready and looking great. 3. Cutout.pro. Go to your browser and search for cutout.pro. Here are lists of AI tools. Aside background removal, this site does quite a skillful job. Click on Image Background Removal. Click on Upload Image. Select your image. Wait for a few seconds while the AI automatically process it. Click Download. Simple and easy to use. Two. Pickwish.com. Go to your browser and search for pickwish.com. Pickwish is an editing site for editing images. Click on Remove Background. Click on Upload Image. Select your image. Wait for a few seconds while the AI automatically process it. Long tap for about 3 seconds. It brings out some options. Click Download. Your image is ready and looking quality. 1. Photoroom.com. Go to your smartphone or desktop browser and search for photoroom.com. Tap on the 3 lines at the top and click on Background Removal. Click on Start from Photo to upload your picture or simply drag and drop from your desktop browser. Wait for a few seconds while the AI automatically process it. Click Download. Swipe left and click on Save to Device. Your image is ready. The quality is looking great and nice. Apps for removing background images. 1. Background Eraser. 2. InPictio. 3. Photopea. 4. Pixellab. 5. Slazzer. Make sure to check out these apps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.